In the 1960s, an American scientist named John B. Calhoun ran one of the most disturbing experiments in history. He wanted to answer a simple question: what happens when a society has everything it needs? So he built a paradise for rats: unlimited food, unlimited water, no predators, no disease, a perfect utopia. At first, everything was great. The rats thrived. They played together, mated, raised their young, followed all their natural social rituals. The population grew steadily. But then something terrifying happened. As the colony grew wealthier and more abundant, the social order started to collapse. The males stopped courting females. They stopped dancing, stopped following the mating rituals. Instead, they formed violent gangs. They would break into other rats' homes and attack families. The fathers, overwhelmed by constant attacks, simply gave up and abandoned their families. They just walked away. Now the mothers were left alone to defend their young, but the constant violence traumatized them so badly that they started attacking their own children, kicking them out of the nest. Within months, the entire colony was dead, every single rat, in a world of perfect abundance. Here's what's terrifying about this. It wasn't overpopulation. There was space for everyone. There was food for everyone. The real problem was status. In a world of abundance, the old rats at the top lived longer and never gave up their positions. The young rats, waiting in line to move up, realized they would never get their turn. So they turned violent. They started attacking each other, not because they were hungry, not because they were threatened, but because they had no purpose. And this is exactly what we see in wealthy societies today. When a civilization becomes too rich, too comfortable, too abundant, the same pattern emerges. The young have no path upward, the old refuse to step aside, and society tears itself apart from the inside. The rats had everything they could ever want, and it destroyed them.